Welcome to my channel. Before we proceed to our crochet baby shoes tutorial, if it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order to get notified every time we upload videos.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I will show you a sandal for baby, how to make. So I'm using 1.60 mm needle and a thread of 3 ply. So let's start our work. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we will make chain 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the 4th chain I will make 1, 2, 3, 4. Make double crochet 2 times. 1 in the same chain, 2. Now make double crochet in remaining chain except last one. Make double crochet. Now this is my last chain. I will make 8 double crochet into the last chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is my 8 double crochet in the last chain. Now I will make double crochet in the remaining stitches except in the last one where we made 2 double crochet. Now this is my last chain. Now I will make 5 double crochet into the same stitch. 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the third 1, 2, 3 chain I will make slip stitch. Now this is my first round. Now chain 1 and in the next stitch make 2 single crochet. Now make 7 single crochet in the 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now make half double crochet into the next. Now make 7 double crochet into the next stitches. 1, 2, now in the 8 stitches I will make 2 double crochet in each stitch. So we will have 16 stitches here. 1, 2 in the same stitch. In the next make 2 double crochet. In the next make 2 double crochet. Do 2 double crochet in each stitch for 8 times. Now I did my 16 stitches here. Now double crochet 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now make half double crochet into the next stitch. Now single crochet for 6 times. Now in the last we have 5 stitches. Make 2 single crochet in same stitch. Twice single crochet into the same stitch. Now in the second we will make slip stitch. Now chain 3 and make in the next stitch double crochet. In the next, make double crochet 2 times, and in the next make 1 double crochet. In the next, make 2 double crochet. In the next, make 2 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet till to the double crochet in one stitch, double crochet till here. Now I am here. Now make in the next 2 double crochet. In the next, make 2 double crochet. In the next, make 1 double crochet. In the next, make 2 double crochet. In the next, make 2 double crochet, and make it till to the next end. In 2 stitches, make 2 double crochet, and in the third one, make 1 double crochet. So do it for 5 times. 5 times make it, and now double crochet in the remaining stitches. When we left 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 stitches, when we have 9 stitches left, then we will stop here. Double crochet into the remaining stitches. Now make 2 double crochet into the next, 2 into the next, and 1 into the next. Make 3 sets of 2 times twice and 1 double crochet, 2 times twice and 1 double crochet. Make 3 sets. Now this is the sole of my baby shoe. Now I will count from the middle. This is the middle of my shoe sole. So I will count from here 14, and I put a stitch mark here, and then we will count from here 14 and start our work here. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now I will start my work from the stitch 15. So I will use my brown color here. Now I will chain 32. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now remove the stitch marker, and I will put my into the 15th. Now make a slip stitch in another stitch. Now start your single crochet from this side. One, two, 3 4 5. When you did your 5 stitches single, then in the next 6th one we will make 2 single crochet in same stitch, and in the 7th we will make 2 single crochet, and we will do same to the other side. Now make single crochet till to the other side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 till there we will make single crochet. Now this is my 7th stitch from this side. I will make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. In the next we will make 2 single crochet in the next same stitch, and in the 5 stitches I will make single crochet. 3 4 and this one is my last one. Okay, now slip stitch in the next and turn your work. Now in the next make another slip stitch, turn your work and make 4 single crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. Now make 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 and skip 1 2 3 4 5. In the 5th make single crochet. Now we have the gap here. Now make single crochet till to the next side where we will make the gap. Same here. Now see, we have a space here and a space here. Now I will make another row of single crochet. So make single crochet 1 2 3 and 4. Now here we will make to the next 5 single crochet, 3 4 and 5. Now make single crochet till to the other end. Now I made this, so I will start my work 1 2 3. In the 3rd I will insert a hook and change the color of yarn. It is purple, so I will chain 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Now make single crochet in all stitches. Now make a slip stitch in the end and now turn your work and again make single crochet into the next all stitches till to the end of line. Now make 55 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 55 chain. Now cut your yarn. This is my 55 chain. Now make I will put the here. See, it will look like this. Now I will make another one from this side. 1 2. In the 3rd make 15 chain and do it like this. Now make from the brown color 22 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now make single crochet into the next stitch till to the end of the line. Single crochet in all stitches. And now chain 1 and in the 2nd one make single crochet. So make 7 single crochet, 6 single crochet of the 6 lines of single crochet, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I finished my work. Leave some of yarn because we will stitch it to the shoe. Now this is my front part. Now skip 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In 8 I will stitch it to the shoe from front side. See, like this. See, now and stitch to the other side. Okay, now my shoe is ready. So look how beautiful it is. Look from this side and from this side. I tied up into the front, and this is the beautiful baby shoe. I hope you will like it. In the next video I will show you how to make another beautiful shoe. So if you put a double sole to the shoe, it will look very fine and very beautiful and little bit hard. So I hope you will like it. See you in next tutorial, inshallah. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.